All right, here we go. Another round robin game here in the Club Championships B bracket. We got the Dirty Birds, aka Atlanta Falcons, aka the Dirty Birds, Pittsburgh-based team here in the red. LA Barons in the blue. LA Barons in their first two round robin games are 1-1, and I'm pretty sure the Dirty Birds are 1-1. I thought they were 2-0, but one of their kids just said that they were 1-1 in their first two round robin games. So hopefully have a pretty good game here. Dirty Birds win the draw. They throw it across over to 76. 76 looking for help. 76 up that right side. And little backhanded toss across. Nobody home. Dirty Birds opposite dump it across. 14 gathers for blue. And LA Barons up. They chip in. Little blocker save there on the... And 12 trying to pinch down. Getting some glare here. I'm not sure how bad it's going to be on the video. Long shot by the Dirty Birds. That misses on the short side. Goaltender tries to hand it off. Gets it to 14. 14 carries under. Hard around the boards for 9. Up no, 14 gets canceled out there. He's got to retreat. He opts to lob. And up center here. And that'll be an ice. 2 is trying to get behind the defense there. Wholesale changes here for both teams. And we're 1 minute in. All right, draw's going to be to the right of the Barons goaltender. And blue wins the draw back. Thrown out around the boards, kept in by the Dirty Birds. long shot, blocked down, loose in front, trying to jam it in on the short side. Dirty Birds now working behind the goal line. They look to center, picked off here by blue. They opt to dump in, off on a change. 3 now, waiting for help. 3 now, takes it under. 3 on the forehand. 3, 8 bodies him up. Hands it off to 23. He gets tangled up. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a hook there on 8. 8. Yeah, with the hold there. 8 had his armpit clenched on 3 stick. And wouldn't let go. So good call there, good eye there by the referee. Barons go to the power play here. Just 2 minutes into the game with a big opportunity here.
Only if somebody sees you.
Yeah. There's a river right there. I don't think anybody's going to matter.
Somebody working in the facility.
All right, so power play coming up here for the Barons. And what are we doing here? Trying to figure out how to play here with an equipment issue. All right, so Barons trying to win the draw. Barons win the draw themselves. 13 over to 10. 10 now at the half boards. Goes to the point. 23. 23. Here it comes. Shot and goal to 10. 23 on the power play to 10. 10. Pass was a little in his feet. Had to gather that. Able to put it through the 5-hole. 1-0 Barons with the power play tally. Just 2:20 into the game. On the circles on the power play. Alex drew the penalty on a hold. All right, so 1-0 Barons here. Dirty Birds now in 97. Working behind the goal line. On the forehand now, the lefty looks to center, blocked off. 10 now, takes it away. Hands it off, 10 cutting. 8 now, curls on the forehand. Oh, skip pass for 23. 23's got some room though. 23 takes it all the way out. Drops it off to the point. Got some traffic in front here. Throws it under for 20, down for 23. 23 looking for 13. And that's thrown all the way out. That will be an ice. Oh, nope. Called off there. Over for 10. 10, he retreats. Pressure coming. Over for 23. 23. A little cross corner for 11. 11 for 10. 10. Quick shot. Oh, nice block there. Off the back of the net here. Big block by 88. 10 with the big cannon there in the center of the circle. Big block there by 88 to prevent that from going on goal. 13. 13 puts on a move. 13's in. Backhanded shot. Oh, nice save. Rebound. Floats across the goal mouth. Nice moves by 13. In close. Bouncing ball. 10 leaves to the point. Long shot. That misses high and wide on the short side. 10 and 13, though, have been out there forever. They got to try to get off on a change. 10's getting off now. Out of the box. 13's off. Got fresh legs out now out there for the Barons. And in deep here for 6. 6 now. He curls at the half boards. He dumps under for 7. 7 now. Oh, overshot him. Thrown all the way around. Dirty Birds up for 18 in transition. Got some room. 18 looking to put on a move on. Gains his own. He backs it out. 18 long shot. Deflected. Nice block there by the Barons. 12 off his leg. 12 now trying to pressure. 12 trying to take it away. He does initially. Thrown in now onto the goaltender. Too many men right there. Bad change there by the Dirty Birds. They had like 4 guys standing outside the bench area there. So, ball was thrown over there by the goaltender. Too many men on the deck here for the Dirty Birds. And ref was right on top of that. No question with the referee there. All right, so once again, another power play here for the Barons. 13 out there, 10 out there. A lot of these players used to calling their regular number. Now I got to see their new number. 23 at the point. 13 trying to kick it over to 10. 10 now. Goes to 23. Up 23, gets by him. Everyone's got a tag up here for blue. 23 at his own blue line. Up that right side. And dumps back up to the point. 23. 10 now in front. 13 over at the circle. 13. And for 8. 8. Turn-in shot. Off a stick. 13 now working behind the goal line. 13 for 10. 23. 23. Backside for 13. Good look. Got to stick on 13 though. 10 now. Curls again. 23. Got 40 seconds left on the power play. Skip pass for 13. 23. 23. Long shot. Ground burner. Trying to go 5-hole. Fought off by the goaltender there. Dirty Birds can't clear. And they finally do. 23 gathers. Pressure coming now from the Dirty Birds. Hands it off to 10. 10's got some room now. 18 seconds left on the power play. Got to get this in and out. 2 now. Bouncing ball. Thrown in. And that's pretty much going to do this. All right, good penalty kill here. All even in a couple of seconds. Big PK there by the Dirty Birds. All right, they're in. 13. 13. Backside for 9. 94 picks this loose ball up. 94 up center. Chipped in. Nope, didn't get a piece of it. That's going to be a nice. Nope, called off. He did get a piece of it. 14 gathers for blue. 14. Over for 12. Up for 9. 9 gets bodied up at the bench. Dirty Birds take it away. 37's in. Tries a little swim move on 12. 37's in. Oh, big pad save there by the Barons goaltender. 3:10 left here in the period. Barons up 1-0. 12 in the neutral zone. Over to 9. Up. Broken up. Long shot. That goes wide. And got a dead ball here.
Icing.
Yep, icing there. Did not have the line of gain.
Sliding top.
What?
I
so icing there on the Dirty Birds. Green helmet on the face-off for the Dirty Birds. Didn't he used to play for Bills? Green helmet? Or was that red helmet?
John, that's Schieffer. He put on Danny's job from the team.
Oh, okay.
In Brookline when they beat Philly.
All right, Barons up that right side. 19 trying to cancel him out in the neutral zone. Nice dig there by 8. 8's out there with 13 and 10. Nice poke check there by 94 at the blue line. Dirty Bird shot and nice freeze and save there by the Barons. 2:30 left here in the period. All right, 8 now in transitions. Got 10 with them. 8. Puts on the brakes just above the goal line. 8 now. Trying to spin out of this. 8 still working. Kicks it to himself. 8 to the point. Thrown into the corner. 10 trying to get there. 10. Nice dig by 10 in the corner. 23. Tries to throw it in front. 10 now working. 10. Looking to curl. Oh, nice skip pass. There it is. Shot. Blocked down. To the point again. 8. Nice moves by him. 8. Oh, he put on a nice move there. Lost it though at the last second. Third across for 13. 13. Back and rebound. 13 with a backhanded shot, missed wide. Bounces directly off the boards to 8. Yeah. 8 with not much of an angle, able to stuff home the rebound off the boards. 2-0 here, Barons.
Somebody get Harry.
Just had another fan here say that this would be an upset. I would say this would be an upset. Dirty Birds, pretty good team. A lot of these Barons players kind of mix and match on certain teams. So Barons up 2-0 here. Oh, nice right pad save. Loose ball. Can't get it. 11. Nice moves by him. 11 now curls behind the goal line. Shot and the goaltender, no stick. Just misses low on the blocker side. Throw it all the way down. Dirty Birds in. Shot. Dirty Birds now working. All right, Barons now trying to clear the zone. Kept in by Dirty Birds. Barons take it away. They gain the zone. 14. Long shot and goal. 3-0 here, Barons. Just 44 seconds left in the first. Barons already pouring it on. Dirty Birds getting done dirty right now.
I'm leaving.
All right, so we got 44 seconds left. Barons up. What, you hurt your knee?
Yeah, I'm just really sore.
All right, so Barons now 9, gains his own, up, gets double team there, taken away. 23 trying to gather for Barons, gets it over to 3. 3 gains his own, 3 at the half boards. Two now hands it off to 3. 3 now working at the goal line. Centers. Oh, nice look by 3. Three now off his stick, and that's going to be the end of the period. Barons 3, Dirty Birds 0. All right, here we go. Start, Dirty Birds in, off the draw. Poked away here by Barons. Barons up, trying to pull, I would say an upset, up 3-0. And after the first, Dirty Birds in. Nice right pad save there by 84. 12 going to gather this for Blue. He throws it under for 14. 14 comes to the forehand. He throws it up on the backhand to 9. 9 content just to take this under. Up, tries to hand it off. Over to 12. 12 cross corner for 3. 3 now, at his blue line. 3. Dumps up the boards to himself. He's in. Mine's in front. Quick shot by 14. Fought off with the blocker. Goes to the corner. 3 now. Dumps under for 14. 14 now working behind the goal line. 14 hands it off. 14 looking for 2. Picked off here. Red in transition. 3-on-2. And nice poke by 12. Dirty Bird still in the zone. Here it comes. Shot. Blocked off. And nice cover by 84.
I'm shaking.
We're leaving after this too.
I'm
not staying for another game.
I have to leave. I don't leave and get out.
So what?
No, dude. They play graphics.
Yeah.
And we're really beat them 9-2.
It's so.
Stop. I fucking stop, dude. I'm sore.
It's so,
fucking hitting me.
stop. It's so humid in here. 10 chases for Barons. He's in. All the way into the corner.
How did Phyllis work first goal?
Oh, the power play, slap shot. Oh, looking for 23, cutting. Dirty Birds, oh, nice back check there by 10. 10 gets it over to 8.
This is literally the line for the Saints. All the doors to you.
Yeah. Wait, so you didn't actually hurt your knee, then, did you? You mean your thigh, or?
No, like right here.
That's bad. No, that's an MCL. I'm not feeling it, dude. You're sweaty.
You got both sides, dude. It hurts so bad. They're just sore. They're not.
Did you stretch before the game?
I always stretch now. I've been stretching since I got hurt after.
All right, 13 throws it across. Dirty Birds pick it up. Dirty Birds in. 81 all the way around. 23's on him. Dumps it under. 32 looks to center. Nobody home. 32 centers again. Off a foot. To the point. 4 hands it down. Up for 8. 4 up to 10. 4 now, nice move at the blue line. Wrist shot, that's blocked off, goes to the corner. 7 minutes left here. Shot 8. 8 now. Centers for 10. Backhanded shot. That's fought off, thrown all the way down, and that will be an ice. Dude, it's so hot right now. Oh my god. It's just humid in here. I would not want to be a goalie in there right now. All right, draw. Draw is going to be to the right of the Dirty Birds goaltender. And false start there. Ethan, when are you going to get a new phone? But can you receive text on that or no?
Yeah.
Regular text?
Yeah. Everything works except for my speaker.
Except your speaker?
Yeah, my FaceTime call.
Can you get calls, but you just can't hear people?
Yeah. No, I can hear them. I can hear everybody. I just can't talk.
Do it. Right now. Do it.
All right, Dirty Birds try to gain his own. Throw him back in.
Chill, dude. I'm so sore, dude. Stop.
Sorry, bitch.
Chill, bro. I'm so sore. You want to know?
All right, 14 gathers for blue. This game's kind of boring now. Barons are crushing.
It's getting too loud in here.
I know, dude. I fucking hate this. The bell's gonna come right over here. All right, Dirty Birds ring. Got a cutter backside. Oh, nice. Oh, throwing off the back of the net. Dirty Birds now. 90. Trying to Battle with 12 here. 32. Gathers behind the goal line. 32. Tries to pass to the circle. 9 picks that off. 9's got some room. Got 6 with him. 9. And gets thrown down. Couldn't get it over to 6. Nice cover there by Red.
What are you doing, bro? I just felt your tip on my ass cheeks. I literally just felt your tip on my ass cheeks. Oh, muck the fuck out of your move. Who's you trust to hold my shit?
Joe, shouldn't you be doing exercises? Huh? Shouldn't you be doing exercises?
No, I ain't old.
Yeah, watch you blow out a hamstring next game.
Knock on wood. I guess that's...
All right. Dirty Birds get it in. 4 there. 4 tries to clear. Dirty Birds down at the goal line. Tries to go to the circle. 2 drop down, takes that away.
Weirdo.
All right, 5:40 left here in the second. Barron's still up 2-0. Dirty Birds up that right side, gets by 23. Stand on that shot, 2, trying to get it out. Dirty Birds at the point, throws it over to the circle. 90, turn and shoot, short side, off the side of the net. 23, up for 9. 9, nice body positioning there, able to clear. Brad, you playing against graphics? Oh yeah, okay. All right, 9 in for 10. 10, nice glove save. 10, try to get it to 8. Deflect it out. 10 now at the half force. Throws it across for 8, off his stick. 8 now. Down in the corner. 8 goes to the forehand. 8 to the point. 23. 23. Long wrist shot in. Goes behind the goal. 4.5 minutes left here. Dirty Birds still trail 3-0. Dirty Birds are in. 23 chases. Trying a power move there. 23 cuts them off. Going across. Nobody. And 13 tried to throw it across all the way out. Oh, thrown across. Oh, big save there. From his knees, he tries to center. Goaltender got a piece of that. Nice pad save. 8 curls on the forehand. 8's in. Shot goes short side. That misses. 10 now in the corner. 10 dumps under for 8. Loose ball 10 and another goal there. Barons. LA Barons, or as we like to call them, La Barons. 4-0 here. Barons 10. I think he got his own rebound there. 4-0 blue. Dirty Birds win the draw. Dirty Birds trying to get on the board here. 11 throws it across. 61, 12 on him. Throws it in front, and nice redirect there. 11 able to cut backside. And that's going to be 4-1 now, Barons. All right, so 3:10 left here in the second. Now it's 4-1 LA Barons over the Dirty Birds. Nice backside pass there. 11 able to just get underneath 14. Easy. some people screaming and banging the boards next to me. This might be... All right, Barons are in. Can't pull the trigger. All right, 7 now. Cross corner. And offsides there.
Are we garbage? You think we're garbage, or you think we're just...
It's like, you guys have guessed me.
At all.
All right, so I'm going to take a break here at the end of this period to see if I don't got people banging on the boards next to me here. All right, 9 on the draw here for blue. Thrown out, 4 hands it down. 4 up for 2. Thought this game would have been a much tighter game, but Barons have pretty much dominated. 9 now, gains his own. Long slap shot, fought off with the stick. All right, 97 now in, at the point, shot coming. Quick shot, a fall off. 32 now, working behind the goal line. 32, got some room into the circle. Fires that across, blocked down. 23, sliding poke check there, takes it away. 30 chases, 23, nice play by him. 23, up center for 9, 9's in. Tries to put on a swim move. Poked away. Dirty Birds in, quality chance here. Backside, oh, I had him, goaltender's down. Goaltender almost lost his helmet, 97. Throws it out, nobody home. Got 90 seconds left here in the period. 9's in, tries to go to the forehand, poked away. Left at the point for 3. 3, drops, nobody home. Dirty Birds had some chances here these last couple of shifts. Dirty Birds, long shot, just misses, short side, not by far. 97 goes to the point again, another shot coming. Long shot, oh, deflected off of 3's back, almost went in. 32, 23's on him. 32, gonna get handed off by 23. 10 trying to get it out of there, 4 trying to get it out of there. Bouncing ball, pinballs around. 50 seconds left in the period, 23. 23 looking to turn and burn. 23 up that right side for 10. 10. 10, wrist shot it in, he's off. All right, 40 seconds left here. End the period. Barons up 4-1. 13 wins the draw. Throws it under. 13 curls all the way around. Shot, rebound, 10. Looking for the Hattie. Loose ball, thrown out to the point. 22 seconds left, and that'll be... Don't know what that is. Offsides. Or out of play, something. I was looking off to the other day. All right, 23 seconds left here. All right, 13 on the draw here for Barons. 20 seconds left. He wins it. 8 now, picks it up. Thrown in front, loose ball. 10 in front, trying to battle through. And we've got a whistle here with 6 seconds left. I might have to stop this recording for this game. 6 seconds left here.
We know who's playing for the Saints in 2 years. We know who's playing for the Saints in 2 years.
All right, thrown across. 10 now. Turn and shoot. Shot. That misses wide. And that's going to be it. End of the second period. Barons 4, Dirty Birds 1. All right. Ball's just dropped here. 6 seconds in. Dirty Birds, they control the draw up that left side. Why?
Wait, I'm thirsty.
You gonna go?
Yeah, I'm good for you. Want that Pepsi and Reese's Cups?
I thought there was a long line.
There was like.
All right, so draw is going to be down here in the Barons offensive zone, up 4-1. The fan that was smashing on the boards every 5 seconds, for the meantime, has gone. All right, loose ball here in the neutral zone. Barons pick it up over to 8. 8 trying to drive it into the zone. Dirty Birds now. They're in. 4's on them. Dirty Birds backhands it in. Oh, almost finds its way to the goal. 10 gets it out of there. 10 throws it under hard for 13. 13 kept in by the Barons. That goes wide on the glove side. 23. He reloads, gets it up to 8. 8. Nice moves along the boards. 8's in. 8 leaves it for 10. Good. Oh, 10 was looking for backside for 13. Little slap pass there. 10 could have popped that. Was trying to get 13 on a redirect. 10 now. 10 throws it in for 13 off the boards. 13. 13 cycles down for 10. Oh, up in the air.
Justin, is this an upset? I think this is an upset. This is a big upset. Yeah. Dirty Birds work 2 out.
All right, so Dirty Birds got to get things going offensively here. Down 4-1, 8:39 left. Fresh legs out there for Blue. Shot attempt blocked off by Barons. Dirty Birds working behind the goal, throwing it around to the boards. Chipped out by Barons. 7 up the boards to himself. Got a cutter here backside, trying to get it to him. Oh, nice play by 18. 7 was trying to one-handed backhand it over.
Pretty good. Yeah.
Dirty Birds, they gain the zone. Little move there at the top of the circle. Nice move. Gets by 14 initially. Tries to put it in short side. Dirty Birds now working at the circle. 6 is draped on him. Centers in the circle. Points wide open here. They get it to him. Quick shot. Ooh, misses. Blocker side. Dirty Birds hold his own though. Oh, no, off his stick. That's out. They've got to tag up. 18 now. Up center. Got to shoot that. Oh, drops it off. Shot. And big save there by the Barons. Got 7:20 left. Barons got to get it out of the zone here. 3. Yeah. What? Well, I mean, we're all leaving, yeah.
Yeah, but Phil,
All right. All right, 9 now. Gets canceled out there. 9 gets taken down. Gets tangled up. 14. 14. He dumps in. This game's getting kind of boring now. 3 trying to poke it off 19. 19 gets it up to 97. Takeaway here by Barons. 8. Nice move. Got a cutter here. Oh, looking for 9. I'm sorry, not 8. 4. 4. Nice move by him. 4 now at the circle. Trying to go between the legs. 88 takes it away. 88 now in transition. 3's on him. 88 down that right side. 88. 3 still chases. Six minutes and change left here. And Barron's still up 4-1.
Where do you think we can find the pictures?
I'm going to come back here at the end of this game. I got to get something to drink.
Take any of us?
All right, so here we go. 45 seconds left. I'm back. Dirty Birds have added another goal, so it's 4-2. They need 2 more here to get the to tie this thing up. I don't know why they haven't pulled their goaltender. They've got an offensive zone face-off here.
Obviously. Doesn't have to do with
They do play by periods here, so I think maybe they've tied, or maybe they've won this period. Yeah, they actually have won this period. So they're content with that to try to get a couple of points. All right, 40 seconds left, chipped in here. 10 coming hard here. 8. 10 in front. 35 seconds left. Thrown out. 10. Got caught up on his feet. He pokes in. Taken out by Dirty Birds.
Get a W here.
Long shot. Loose in front. Dirty Birds thought that was in. 10 seconds here. 10's in as well. Shot. Save. 8. 5 seconds. Was that in? And that's going to be it. Final score, LA Barons 4, Dirty Birds 2.